Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Officially, this is my F150 2012 that has been ceramic coated. You can look at the reflection, it is absolutely insane. She looks so good. Trying to get a good shot of the hood so you can see the reflection. It's absolutely ridiculous. Preparation is key with any ceramic cutting that you do. I own a mobile detail business, and this is absolutely imperative that your preparation. So what you want to do is you want to use a clay bar to get any contaminants actually off the paint. And then you want to basically coat the entire exterior of the truck or car with alcohol. And these are the results that you actually get. Preparation is key, like I said. Y'all have a good day.